My name is Jolly
Hi,
Dmello.
myself
I have
Trishra
completed
Ilwani.
my
I have
3 months
completed my
internship at
internship
Unified
with
Mentor
Unified
and
Mentor as
have
a full stack web
done 4
development intern.
projects
It was a
during this
great
time.
learning experience.
The course
I
material
got to work
provided
on the
by
projects like
Unified
Weather
Mentor
app, which
during
uses
this
API
process was very
integration, or student teacher
good and has
booking
helped me
appointments,
in
which also uses
completing my
Firebase and Cloud
projects.
Firestore. I
My
had
name is Jolly
such
Dmello.
a great
I
time
have
working on this
completed my
project,
3
which
months internship
makes
at
my knowledge
Unified Mentor
or my
and
theoretical
have
knowledge worked into the
done
practical
4
ones.
projects
It
during this
improved
time.
my skills
The
in
course
HTML,
material
CSS,
provided by
JavaScript, and also
Unified
I
Mentor
happened to
during
learn
this
new
process
skills
was very
like React,
good
Node,
and has helped me
and
in
Firebase as well.
completing my projects.
I had such a great time.
My name is
Overall,
Jolly
the
Dmello.
mentors in
I have
Unified Mentor
completed
are
my
so
3 months
supportive. Any
internship
doubts can
at
be solved if I
Unified
message them
Mentor
or call
and
them
have
in any time, which
done
was
4
a great
projects
thing which makes
during this
every
time.
task
The
easier.
course material
Thank
provided
you,
by
the Unified Mentor, for giving
Unified
me this
Mentor
opportunity,
during
and
this
I'll
process was
recommend to
very
all the students to
good and
gain the
has helped
work
me in
experience and the
completing my
real life
projects.
experience to this. Thank
My
you.
name is Jolly.